Today we have this MSI Cyborg gaming laptop. So we're gonna show you when you try to install Windows 11 on this Windows 11 Home. This is Windows 11 Home laptop, and we're gonna install Windows 11 Pro on it. So sometimes when you go to install, the SSD doesn't show on the Windows installation process. So we'll show you what you need to do on the BIOS in order to get the SSD. So you power it on, and then you keep on pressing the delete button to go to the BIOS. And then you go to advanced options, this one, and then over here it usually shows enable VMD controller disabled. It's grayed out. Normally it would say enabled. If it's enabled, then you can't see the SSD when you try to install it. You have to disable it. So in order to disable it, you have to put a code on the laptop keypad. So you press Shift on the right hand side, then the Copilot button, this one, and then on the left hand side Alt, and then press F2. Now show the screen. So if you can see, when I press F2, there's more options comes up. So once you press option, once the option comes up, you click on System Agent SA. Press enter. And then you go to this VMD setup menu. And then over here, you can enable it or disable it. So you have to keep it disabled in order to see your SSD and in order to install the Windows 11 Pro on it. Thank you.